Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to insert safety eyes into your amigurumi projects. Safety eyes give your creations a professional and adorable look. So, grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. First, decide where you want to place the eyes on your amigurumi. It's usually helpful to use pins to mark the spots and make sure they are even. Next, use your hook or a yarn needle to create a small hole in the marked spot. Be gentle to avoid stretching the stitches too much. Insert the post of the safety eye through the hole from the outside to the inside of the amigurumi piece. On the inside of the amigurumi piece, place the washer over the post of the safety eye. Press firmly until the washer clicks into place. This secures the eye. Repeat the process for the second eye, ensuring it's evenly placed with the first one. Make sure to insert the safety eyes before closing up your amigurumi piece completely. Double-check the placement of the eyes before securing the washers, as they can be difficult to remove once attached. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button below for more crochet tutorials and tips.